Hi everyone, I am Dr. Gopal Krishnamurthy. I am here to present a novel approach to improve the entrapment efficiency and flow property of alginate beads. The learning objectives of this session is what are the existing methods, the drawbacks of existing methods, need for the new method, and what are the advantages observed from the new method, new process developed by us. So one of the process commonly used is alginate beads. The alginate beads are well known for enzyme immobilization and entrapment of drugs. And here, if you are observing the ionic gelation method, where the drug is dispersed in aqueous solution of sodium alginate, and the resulting dispersion with the help of a needle is transferred into the calcium chloride solution. It is allowed to retain for sufficient period of time in order to complete the curing reaction, where sodium alginate react with calcium chloride to form calcium alginate. Of course, this process is suitable for entrapment of water insoluble drugs. However, in case of water soluble drugs, during curing reaction, the water soluble drug will be leached into the water, thereby entrapment efficiency is expected to be poor. Similarly, in case of emulsification ionic gelation technique, it is transferred into oily solution followed by stirring, then calcium chloride solution is added. Here also there is a spherical shaped globules may be observed, however entrapment efficiency is going to be poor. So in order to overcome that, we prepared a new process by pan coating technology to improve the efficiency of entrapment efficiency. Here if you are seeing in the first step is a coating pan where a dummy beads, non-parallel sugar beads will be placed. Then the drug is going to be loaded into the drug along with sodium alginate will be sprayed into the coating pan, which is preoccupied with drug, and binder sodium alginate itself will act as a binder. Then it is allowed to dry. Later, here in the second step, calcium chloride solution will be sprayed into the beads which are pre-deposited with sodium alginate as well as the drug. Later, it is subjected to drying and curing completion, thereby drug is going to be entrapped with calcium alginate. And in this way, spherical shape as well as good entrapment efficiency is going to be observed. Now we compared the beads physical and performance parameters of the beads prepared by ionic gelation traditional method as well as the proposed method. The first property which we analyzed is size and size distribution. And size distribution is performed by sieve analysis technique, where the sieves are arranged as per their sieve orifice diameter, and it is subjected to specified procedures, and after completion of that, the percent weight retained on different sieves was analyzed. Micromimetic properties, especially the flow properties, was analyzed by using the bulk density apparatus as per the USP procedure. And the next one is drug entrapment efficiency. The selected water soluble drug entrapment efficiency was determined by using UV spectrophotometric methods, and the drug release studies was subjected to the USP dissolution apparatus 1 by using a paddle, and 50 rpm by using 0.1 normal hydrochloric acid as the dissolution medium. And after completion of these experimental procedures, the results which were noticed from these two techniques was also presented here, and the size was found to be uniform in both the methods, and the flow properties were also excellent. However, entrapment efficiency is increased from ionic gelation 60 to the proposed method 95%. And compared with ionic gelation method, in case of coating method, the process variables can be easily optimized, and we can go for automation, and it is having more feasibility or industrial feasibility. And now I can conclude what is the proposal of this is the reduction in size of the dosage form, because of a good improvement in entrapment efficiency, the quantity of the dosage form required is going to be minimum, or as in case of capsule size, the volume of the volume occupied by the stipulated product from ionic gelation product is relatively high compared with the pan coating because of good entrapment efficiency, and small volume of the product is sufficient, and this technique was found to be worthful for entrapment of water soluble drugs, and this technique is also filed for patent, and recently a patent was also granted, and here I am presenting the patent number, patent file application number also here I am showing. Thank you one and all for your watching this video.